very important for a woman to make sure that she's checked in with the guy to see if he is reciprocating with her. If she feels that he's shy or he's introverted and he doesn't make the move, you can ask him out by asking if he likes a specific thing like an art gallery or live music, and then saying there's something coming up this weekend or next week. Maybe we should go together. What do you think? So by basically saying, hey, that was a really interesting conversation we just had. We should get together again sometime over a coffee or a tea or a drink. So it's just suggesting those things lightly. I always say try to leave a little space for him to ask you out because that's also information about what kind of a guy he'll be. For some women, they don't mind leading all the time, and some women will feel frustrated if they have to ask the guy to do everything all the time. So you're getting information early on.